How to withdraw money from Hargreaves Lansdown. Log into your Hargreaves Lansdown account online or via the mobile app. Go to the Account section, where your money or investments are held. Select the account you want to withdraw from, such as Fund and Share Account or ISA. Check that you have available cash or sell investments to make funds available. Allow a few working days for any sales to settle into cash. Ensure you have a nominated bank account set up with Hargreaves Lansdown. Verify that your bank account details are correct and up to date. Click on the Withdraw Money option in the account. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review all withdrawal details, including amount and bank account. Confirm and submit the withdrawal request. Wait for the money to reach your nominated bank account within the stated processing time. Thank you for watching.